Hey guys, we're back. So, today, last night I had a cool idea. So, we are going to do a bee swarm hide and seek. But, it's not like any other hide and seek. So what we're going to do is, so basically, I'm going to get the maximum amount of quests that I can. I just need to complete all my quests first. Well, I don't know. I'll just get all of them I can. Okay, Black Bear quest. Yeah. Oh yeah, Dawn's here with me too.
Oh, so great.
Dawn's gonna be the seeker.
Are you in the same,
Yes, we're in the same game.
I'm in the 5 bees.
Okay.
How about I just hide where my bees go?
Okay.
Okay, after on the
Okay. Now we'll go one from Brown Bear and then Panda Bear. Oh wait, no, there's also, Science Bear. Yes, there was. So Brown Bear,
Alright, I'm
Panda
gonna
Bear,
come down.
Science Bear. Come on, don't seek yet, okay? I still have to get a quest for 3 more bears. You know what? I'll cut to the part where I get it. So, yeah. I'm back. I just got my quest from Science Bear. Okay, let's go. Oh, I fell down. Okay.
So I just have to find you now?
No, not yet. We'll both meet back up at the hive, and then I'll do all my, and then you count, and then I'll hide. So yeah. Okay, I'm making my honey right now. Just fold back.
Yeah, I'm about to be making my honey.
Hey, are you looking at my screen? Because you can't look at my screen. You still don't know where I am.
Well, I have to know where the beehive is.
It's on the left. Okay, I'm ready for you to count. I'm right here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How do I count to?
60. is full. That's not good.
Alright, Greg, I'm ready.
Oh no.
I'm gonna check up here. Please come, please. Oh my god. Avoid these monsters.
Okay. I know I've been silent. I'm just trying to focus. See where to hide.
You still haven't hide yet?
No, I hid, but I'm just... Okay. I can't really say anything because that'll kind of give it away, but...
Well, you can say stuff.
Yeah, I think I have a pretty good hiding spot.
Okay. Are you in the Tembi gate?
No. Why would I? It's not. It's illegal.
You can go in the Tembi gate.
I can?
Yeah. I can too. I just noticed that.
Huh.
So you're not in the Tembi gate?
No.
Yeah, you. Vic.
Yeah?
Can you give me a little hint?
Not right now.
Okay, one moment. But what I want you to give a hint about is if you're in the 5B gate or not.
There is... Well, I'm talking to a bear right now.
Okay.
Wait, no, I accidentally got a new quest. Dang it. Because I finished that one. Okay, I'll just leave that there. You know what? We'll do it. For the honey. Oh, dang it. Trying to see.
I think I just saw you. Will you like science fail?
No,
Or you're lying?
I'm not lying. Give you a hint, I'm pretty well disguised. But not for long.
Rick, I see you.
What do you mean?
I see you.
No, you got me. Okay, I still had to do this one. I still had to do this
No,
one.
I got you before.
This one. No, I wasn't in the. I wasn't. No, I wasn't. I was not in the 10th. Well, I was for like a little bit, but
Yeah.
when you said I was at Science Fair, I wasn't. So, I was over talking to Panda Bear. But, yeah, so.
And also I got lots of honey. So I'm gonna just do that real quickly.
Okay, that's been the video, guys. Hide and seek. If you guys want me to do a part 2, then we can do it. But, like, subscribe for the 2 people that see this. Yeah, bye.